Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you got them tight. You in love with being modest. You a move body giving interviews. I'm just saying I'm a
You want to go back to gas car?
What are you searching up?
We are here. I hope it's not a super long line. Oh my gosh, I haven't seen a Mrs. Fields in so long. I like these kind of malls where they actually have stuff that you can use. There is a line, but it's okay. The line is not terrible, but it is not short either. Let me hurry up. We're in line. I'm sorry.
Bro, Girl Hus Fest was one of ours.
It's because I work with kids. Walking fast is a part of my nature. I see people got bags already. I want one of those bags. Have you put a little tote bag there? I don't have one. Thank you. Cute. Cute.
You guys want to stop?
Yes. You already have it. Yes. Yeah.
Can you hold the perfume and take a picture?
Of course. Oh my God.
Yeah, you matched
this
it, girl.
My friend, y'all.
My friend.
Thank you. Look at my friend. Period. That's why I wear purple. I'm smelling it like I don't already have it, girl.
Is this the general entry or like for pictures?
It's general entry for like whoever like reserved or whatever.
It's an event.
Yeah, it's an event.
But I cannot
But
shop.
if you're a regular, I think you could ask her. She's one of the people.
Thank you.
Oh my God. How cute is that? That is too cute. Perfect for travel. I'm about to move here. Roll candy. Thank you.
Would you like some candy, honey? Okay, perfect. Hi, how are you? Welcome. Oh, nice to see you, honey. Thank you for joining us. Of course.
I'm so nervous. I'm Ariel, but I'm very BerryFae. Yeah. You guys usually just reposted you, like literally freaking out. Yes, and I've been like messaging Roxy the whole time. Yes, please. Thank you so much. Are you based in Miami? I'm in West Palm, but Miami is an hour. Yeah, it's an hour away from me. I always travel to Miami. I know. I actually am thinking about it. I know. It's such a pretty name. I was thinking about it. I'm like, I feel like I need to be my regular. Thank you. Of course. I'm gonna see Roxy in New York. I know. She told me. We talk all the time. She's like, can I see Roxy? Of course. Yeah. Let's do it. Just a nice. I'm going to get to her right now. Her in. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Same form for the third one.
Thank you. These are my friends.
Did you want to give me your...
That's my friend too. Period. Aww.
You guys are so cute. Hype. I got a good angle too. I'm so hyped right now. I'm so hyped. Period. Hey. I hope you're going out after this.
I got you. It's the thing.
I am. Are you calling?
Your name like Cara.
She's so funny.
Nope.
Please.
She said he's texting me right
She is so funny. Oh my God, I love Roxy so much. She's like, find her. I'm like, I will. Let me do my engaging.
there. I was like,
She is so. You guys, how stinking cute. I'm so. That is too cute. I'm just, oh my gosh, my box. Oh my God, how cute is that? I'm hyped. It just looks so professional. It's like it was born to be, like my name on it. Faye looks so nice. Oh, that red. Oh, that red. Oh, okay, let's do this one. I know, I got a red one too. He's so silly. No, that is so fire. It hit. Imagine this one. This is like a red, a true red.
You know, I feel like that is like saying J and Faye combined.
Yeah. Wow. It's just so precious. Can I do one more?
Yes.
Can you put Boss Babe on here?
BOSSBAB.
Yes. That one's gonna go right on my nightstand. It's a wrap, you guys. It was so fun. It was amazing. Thank you so much.
pleasure.
We had
Thank
a
you
great.
for coming,
Of
guys.
course. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Can I hug you more time? Thank you so much. She's texting me. She's like, "Girl, y'all found each other." I'm like, yeah.
I sent her the picture.
I know she sent it right back to me. She's like, "I see you, girl." Where's my? Oh, here we go. Yeah. So nice to meet you. That was so cute. Oh, Tori. I'm just gonna see. I'm not getting. I'm not. What? I can't see. I just want to see. Oh my gosh, they do not have this in Gardens.
This, because I saw this online.
They don't have that in Gardens. Oh, look at the sprinkles. Okay.
This is what I want.
Ice cream shop. Oh, this is fire. I love this. That's cute. I like the color. Oh my goodness. It's okay. I know. I wasn't expecting it. I know it is. I love this. Is that's the theme for this one? Ice cream?
Yes.
That is super
Summer
fun.
capsule, ice cream inspired. It's only gonna be in the store for 15 days.
So that's the waffle right here.
Yes.
That's the mint chocolate chip.
Chocolate chip.
Oh my gosh, it really is ice cream
The lemon
inspired.
one,
It's like now
lemon
coming
ice.
to.
Lemon
Something-
sorbet.
Sorbet.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Oh, we missed the ice cream right here.
Oh, totally missed that. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Let me get that.
And tomorrow we will be serving ice cream.
Oh man, we're not from here. This is not like the one in Palm Beach Gardens. This is so much better. Oh my gosh, I love it.
We are much better.
I bet. I like this one. I think I'm gonna do this one. Actually,
Which one?
Yeah,
And
we are Tory
come
Burch
clutch.
girls. We're Tory Burch girls,
come in,
okay?
yeah.
Yeah, we're Tory Burch girls all the way. Yes, this is not a joke.
Yeah.
They do shop and
Yes,
Yeah.
my
Which one's
style.
limited?
All of
all
them.
limited.
I was gonna say if it's a collection, it's gonna be limited.
it's only for 15 days.
Even though I don't need no more perfume, but I just want to smell it.
Don't got them.
Boy, sing it.
Can you explain this one?
I can't never smell anything like it. Never.
You just open it and smell it?
I like this. The dark rose smells good. I wore that.
That's leather. That's leather.
Oh my god, it is enduring leather.
I told you, that's leather.
It's like
And the scary part is I'm scared how I'm able to pinpoint the scent.
you knew exactly it was
That's
leather. Okay, this one is
I don't like that scent.
Daring Rose.
I like this one. That smells good,
You
yeah.
need to stick to the perfume.
No, that smells like
Ah,
cold.
yeah.
See, I'm
Okay.
telling you.
Luminous musk.
Mas
Let's
mesmo
see.
senti encore. Muito senti.
They don't go with perfume. They need to stay with the
That
shoes.
leather mess.
Just make our shoes, no perfume.
I messed up.
Wow, that actually hurt my cat. Like I actually feel back inside. No, you. Not even just leather. They smell like burning leather. I like the green one. That green one's cute. I just wish the chain was gold.
Yeah.
It'll go better with gold. I love me a good Tory bag. I really want to go in Zara just to see what's Zara giving. I know, they're really cute. And nobody gonna have it because it just came out. But I could wear this.
I don't have it.
Yeah.
Get some?
Yeah, the same, $198. Only because I want to go to Zara, I'm not gonna get it. Because if I really want it, it's gonna come back. But Zara, I'm never at Zara.
Booty sitting everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Period. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. It was so nice. All right, now let's find Zara. I want to live down here. No, I don't. Because that traffic. Never mind, that traffic. Yeah, never mind. I'd like to live by a mall, but the traffic to get to their mall. Am I doing what?
Influencer, are you a blogger?
Yes.
Okay, I have a question for you. Is this camera a good one?
It's 100% good.
Yes?
I love it so much.
Okay, can I have the...
That's the Sony ZV.
Do you mind if I call my daughter quick? Just quick.
Yeah, I don't
One
care.
second.
It's fine. Yeah, I used to have the G7X, but now I have
Hi,
this.
baby. 1 second. Can you see me? Okay. I'm with a blogger here, and she's nice and she's tough. So I asked her about the camera, okay? So,
Hi. This is the one, okay?
Okay.
The Sony ZV E10.
is the one that we
This
have?
one we have, yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay.
But you can change the lens out on these too. And
You
it can-
cannot.
You can.
You can.
You can. You see when you press that, you pull it off, you can get another lens that's make it even better.
I asked you for that, and you said, like, great. You didn't know that.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, you can.